First step is to please like remove the taboo that I am 22. If you can buy a property on 22, you can make a will on 22. So this is one very important thing that I will say. I would request each one of you, with this particular talk today that we all three of us are doing, I would request do not keep it to yourself. The more that you will spread it out, the more that we will create an awareness amongst our friends and moreover our families. That's much more important. We actually are trying to build a nation where, as I said, when you spend money, when you spend your time, when you aspire that you should acquire this particular property, let it be in the hands where you want it, even when you are not there. So, if again, bottom line is this itself, that there is no age for earning or acquiring a property. How high, how low, you know the value of the first 50 rupees that you had. And if you had, and you know that value of that 50 rupees, secure it even when that 50 rupees turns to 50,000, 50 lakhs, or 50 crores. So if it is, there is no age to buy a property, although legally we are talking only of 18 and above. The entire talk is for 18 and above. But if it is even at 19, you are that successful, you're that ambitious to own a property, please simultaneously have this planning of something called as estate planning. So it's not merely for the elders, it's not merely for the riches, it's not merely. If you can have a property, you can plan your estate as well.